Are you worried about how to restore lost files and folders from memory card or flash card using DDR memory card recovery software? If you have accidentally erased your data from memory card, as we have shown, for demonstration purpose, run DDR memory card recovery software. Connect your flash card to PC. If you want to restore data from memory card and your laptop have memory card slot, insert your card in this slot. Or you can use memory card reader for connection. As we have shown, a variety of memory card readers are available in the market. Software has 4 recovery modes: Basic Search, Deep Search, Photo Search, and Signature Search. Select any recovery mode and continue. Here we have selected Deep Search. Select your media from physical drives list in the drives tree and continue recovery. Recovery is under process. Similarly, you can also try specialized photo search mode or signature search. Here we have shown recovery process of both modes, photo search mode and signature search mode. As you can see, select your media and go to next. Browse the path and continue. In signature search, you can select your data files extensions. Browse the path and continue. Data recovered successfully. You can view recovered files. Click on Open Containing folder. Thanks for watching.